Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have a mess on my desk. Well, kind of, sort of, not really. This is just a very quick video. I normally film my videos the night before they actually upload, but I'm actually on the way out the door to church and I'm running late because I stopped at Dollar Tree. And I had several of you comment, that it would be hard to tear up one of these books to make one of these journals. And I totally get that. So I wanted to give you some alternatives to show you. First, I want to show you this one. This one, I went out to Target and I purchased this book right here for my grandson because he loves Dogman and he wanted a journal. So this is what's going to be his journal. I still have a lot to do on it, but this is one of the ones that I'm working on. I've got some tags that I've been making from some of the pages. So I've got that going on. I have this adorable little journal going on. I have the Hunchback of Notre Dame that you just seen. But let me show you some of the other stuff for those of you that, don't want to rip into some of your really good books. I purchased all of these just a few minutes ago at Dollar Tree. And these are all perfect for altered book journals. So let me just show you. These say Hansel and Gretel. These are the perfect size for half sheets of your 8.5 by 11 paper. Cut it in half, and then you fold it, and so it's perfect. And so the spine is one of those that you can use, and then you can take the spine apart, and then make it a larger spine, and still use the cover. And there's not a lot of pages in it, so you can actually keep the story intact. But how cute is this? So I picked these up from Dollar Tree. And I love those. They had one of these. I didn't see any more of these. But how cute will this be for a little Christmas journal? And this one is actually a lined little notebook. And of course, I am going to go in, but look at that spine. How perfect is this? Like, perfect. Okay, so I will make this into a Christmas journal. And then they have a series like this. And these are perfect as well. Now, these have the, like the thick cardboard pages in them, but that's okay because I can cut right here and I can use this cover. And I may or may not include any of these little things in it, since that I can use them for tags or something like that. I can definitely somehow figure out how to incorporate them in. I'll probably make them into tags because there's only, I think, 3 pages per se. So I got a couple of these, and look, I mean, the covers are just perfect for journals. They're just absolutely adorable. Okay, and so then this one is just one little one. This was the only one I seen like this, but I'm sure the different Dollar Trees around here, I'm sure I can get more. Again, it's just like the perfect little size. I love the inside cover, and look, it even has like this book belongs to, and I love it. It's perfect. And look at the spine, how easy that's going to be. Super easy. They also have a whole bunch of these, and let me see what these measure. Let me just take a look, because I did not. So these measure 7 by 5 for what I would keep. And these are not like the Disney name, but they're the classic tales. So they are just, and they have really good pictures and drawings in them. So these will make great little journal covers as well. And again, look at that spine. How easy is that going to be to work with? So I got several of those, and they had them in probably 5 different variations. So you can do several different journals with these. So make sure you check those out. Now see, my desk is just so full of all of these books. Oh, I've got so many journals to do, but it's okay. I love doing them. I really do. All right. Then I picked up these, and these are actually Disney. They are not the little golden books, but they're about the size of the little golden books. And like this one is Fancy Nancy. Again, this is going to be super, super easy to take apart. And so I mainly wanted the covers, but I do like this one. I love the pages that are in it. So I will absolutely incorporate that. And I picked up a few of those of that one title. Again, $1. You know, you can't beat that. And then check this out. Toy Story. How cute will this be for a little boy? And again, you know, it's the same as what that Fancy Nancy was. And you can see, like, I'm already taking it apart just like that. And so what I'll do on these is I'll take them apart and I will create a bigger spine in there so that, you know, I can actually bulk it up. So I got a couple of those. And then check this out. Disney Frozen Sisters. How cute. This is just going to be absolutely adorable as a journal. And look at this. Oh my goodness. I love it. And again, I mean, it's just, you can see that the pages are already coming apart. So this is going to be so easy to just cut and use. So I picked up a few of those. And there's another couple of the Fancy Nancy. Okay, then I come to this. And yes, it's a clipboard. But check this out. It is an amazing clipboard. And I am going to incorporate this into a Dr. Seuss journal. So it's a little big. It's like 7 by 9. Probably what I'll do, I may end up trimming right there, right underneath that. But I will use this as one of my covers because, and it was $1 for a Dr. Seuss. Yeah. And then I also picked up some Dr. Seuss flashcards. Where's the other Dr. Seuss stuff I got? I think I just set it down here because I wasn't thinking I was going to show you guys, but I do want to show you some of the other stuff I got to go with the Dr. Seuss journal. So I picked up a Dr. Seuss coloring book. And then I picked up some Dr. Seuss, it's large room decor, but I can take and use these images. I paid $1. This was a set of Dr. Seuss bookmarks. And I did, you know, pick up a thing of Dr. Seuss pencils, you know, because I figured that would be cute to include in the journal. But here's another thing of Dr. Seuss flashcards and another thing. So, and I do have a couple of Dr. Seuss books that I want to do. But how cute will this be to incorporate this and then, you know, use some of the Dr. Seuss pages, some of the Dr. Seuss coloring pages. Then I'll use some of these flashcards and I'll use some of the images from these right here. And they're on a really good cardstock. And I mean, these are cute to just go in the journals just like this. So there's several different kinds. I may have to go back and get another pack of these. These were $1. And those would make really cute tags and pockets and tucks. Okay, yeah, I have to go get more of these for sure. And they have more, they had different clipboards there. I only picked up the 2 for today because, you know, I'm running behind because I really wasn't planning on staying and picking all that up. And then I got a thing of like the Minnie Mouse cards to go with the Minnie Mouse journal. And then I do have a full set of 10 or 12 of the little golden books, the Disney princesses. So that will be good. And then there are these. Check these out. And I'm sure you've seen these at Dollar Tree before. And these are like the encouragement little books. But when I was looking at them, I'm, you know what? These are perfect. Because probably what I will do is I will take and trim like right through here. So that I have I'm just basically going to be trimming this off. So I love the cover. The cover's great. I will put my own spine. The inside pages are beautiful. And I will probably end up preserving these pages and scatter these throughout the journal because they're perfect. So I got several different kinds. I got this one, Seize the Day. And again, I mean, look at this. It's just, you can't beat this for $1. So it makes really great books, journals. All of these will make great journals. And these are, you know, the covers on these are just, they're so nice that you don't even have to do anything to them. And with the pages, it has some really good pages that'll be great for journals. This one here is going to make an amazing journal. So, you know, make sure you go and check out your local Dollar Tree. You definitely want to do that. Oh, there was this one Christmas book, and I'm sure there may be more. I just didn't have time to look. It wasn't, you know, it doesn't have like the photos or anything that I really per se wanted, and I'll probably end up using some of those pages, but I mainly wanted the cover. But here's some more of these little like inspirational books. And how great would this be for a journal for your mom or for a mother at Mother's Day? And I mean, most of the work is already done for you. It's just, it's so easy. When you have something this great to work with, it makes it so much easier. So yeah, just, you know, make sure you go check out your local Dollar Tree. A lot of times you can get them cheaper there than you can at Goodwill. How pretty is this one? With the butterfly. Oh my goodness, look at that. Love the, oh my goodness. Okay, I love that. And then we have this one with the beautiful roses. You guys know, oh, and I love the black. Wow. Okay, my mind is racing, and it's a shame that I have to leave right this minute because I already want to get started on these. But I have to control myself. I have too much to do, and I have to go play the drums. And if I get out in time, I will have to come and start on some of these. And if I do, I will try to bring you guys along so that you can work with me. We may be doing a bunch of journals over the next few weeks. You know, and what I may do is I may do like one of each one on camera, like putting it together, taking the journal or the book apart and getting it ready and prepped. And then we'll do like the rest I'll do off camera, and then we'll just maybe decorate them together on camera. I don't know. Just let me know what you guys want. You know, if you want to see me break them all down when I do, and I don't mind doing it because I'm going to be, you know, doing it anyway, same place. You know, but otherwise I will just break one down and then we'll just decorate from there. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I am sorry it's not like a tutorial or anything, but I had to show you all of this stuff because you want to run out and get some, because you know, we're coming up to Christmas. We have a lot of gifts that we need to be getting ready to give. And I mean, this kind of stuff you can't beat whenever you have $1 in the book. You know, you have a little bit of money in your paper, that kind of stuff, but you're not going to have a lot of money in these journals. And they make the greatest little Christmas gifts. You know, how many people do you know would not be excited to receive something like this as their Christmas gift? I mean, hello, I make these things and I'd be excited to get one. So I'm just putting that out there. I mean, I love this kind of stuff. So run to your Dollar Tree, guys. Run, run, run. I'm done talking, so now you can go run to Dollar Tree. Bye, guys. I'll see y'all later.